Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Check YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to take slow motion video in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, in your phone open camera, then go to more button, click on more here and here select slow motion and now shoot your video. Whatever you shoot, they will appear now as a normal video. While shooting it will be like a normal video. See here, I am shooting this video. First you go to start video. Okay, and now I stop the video. Play the video that you took. See here, video is in slow motion. So in this way you can easily take slow motion video in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.